Nutree Professional welcomes you to the world of flawless hair. Amazonly's unique step is a new, unique and innovative hair care product. This is a single-phase keratin treatment with plant and animal proteins in the recipe. Amazonly's unique step is ideal for people who do not want to go to the salon and prefer to conduct the treatment at home. It saves time and it's extremely simple to use. Amazonly Step Unique Keratin is ideal for curly hair that is medium to thin. In addition, the Amazonly Step is great for straight and thin hair, as it will give your hair a healthy shine and radiance. Let's talk about the advantages of this product. No harmful fumes, no formaldehyde, make your hair smooth and elastic, shields your hair from heat damage. This product is straight from Brazil with natural ingredients. Acai is high protein content and omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids mean that the acai is great for your hair. Cacao leads to better hair growth and gorgeous tresses, give the hair sheen. Shea butter help to increase shine and reduce the frizz of your hair. Shampoo, keratin and conditioner are 3 steps of the Amazonly's unique step set. It's super easy, quick and safe, and it will only take you an hour. Now is the time to change your hair. Get more information on our website www.nutreecosmetics.com.